Tired of constant reports and deadlines? Working 10 hours a day and still not seeing the results? Imagine if instead of grinding for a boss, you could work for yourself and earn more. Want to know how to break free from 9 to 5 rat race and switch to trading, where you are your own boss? Then this video is first step towards your freedom. By the way, if you want to really understand trading, I recommend subscribing to my channel. You will find out full market analysis, trading strategies, and working setups. Everything you need for success.
A pretty standard situation. The price is testing the middle line of the Bollinger Bands. Before this, it was trading in a narrow range, which often signals that the next breakout or impulse will be strong. I use this moment for an entry, expecting a reversal signal right from this level. This is not about guessing. This is about understanding how volatility builds up when the market compresses into a tight range. Trading binary options requires discipline. Without a clear plan, it's easy to fall into the trap of emotions. I always make a point not to make decisions on the fly, as that can lead to mistakes. Instead, I determine beforehand how much I'm willing to risk and I stick to it. When I trade, having a clear strategy is crucial for me. Knowing what to do in every situation helps me avoid panic and impulsive decisions. I understand that markets can be unpredictable, which is why it's so important to follow my own rules. In trading, emotions are the enemy. Sure, I can feel stressed when things don't go according to plan, but I try not to let those feelings influence my decisions. Successful traders don't let emotions take over, and I stick to that principle.
Great start. First trade already in profit. Confidence is building because the analysis matches perfectly with the result.
The price touched the upper Bollinger Band. At such dynamic resistance, I expect the market to slow down and pull back toward the middle band. The volatility here is relatively weak, which means movements are cleaner and easier to read. It's one of those trades where patience and precision matter more than speed.
Beautiful, when the market behaves predictably. No rush, no stress, just following the system. Everything is under control. Speaking of trading, you have a chance to improve your strategies right now. Join our community where we share practice setups and discuss the best indicators. You will get access to exclusive materials in the pinned messages.
The price breaks through the middle Bollinger Band and then comes back for a retest from above. That's my signal. The indicator itself is turning sideways, showing there's no clear long-term trend, so trades here are built on local impulses. This is one of those textbook examples you can literally find in any training material. Clean setup, clean entry.
This was like from a textbook. Perfect entry, everything worked out exactly as planned.
I enter a bit earlier than usual, anticipating a reversal near the upper Bollinger Band, which acts as dynamic resistance. The bands are narrowing, which signals a range-bound market. When the bands contract, I expect smaller moves, so here discipline is key. I don't overbet, I just execute the plan.
Another clean trade. The whole session is going smoothly, exactly as the system predicts.
This is a routine higher contract trade inside the Bollinger Bands. Volatility is rising. The bands are expanding, which means the market is ready for stronger impulses. I catch the beginning of a reversal upward and position myself for that correction. This is a trade that many beginners would miss, but experience tells me it's worth taking.
That was a powerful impulse. You can really feel the strength of the trend.
Here, I enter on a strong downward impulse. My expectation is that price will first pull back to the middle Bollinger Band, and then the downward movement will continue. This is a slightly more aggressive entry, but the logic is clear. Impulse, correction, continuation.
Now, the account is growing to a serious numbers. Of course, there's the excitement inside, but control stays in place. That's the key, to feel the emotions but not let them to control your actions.
A clear correction after the price touched the lower Bollinger Band. In fact, the price even pierced through the lower boundary, then returned inside the channel. This gives me a strong signal to buy a higher contract, expecting a rebound upward. These are the kinds of setups where experience and confidence in the system make all the difference.
That's the culmination, turning $30 into $2,378 in just one session. Pure satisfaction from reading the market correctly. We withdraw $2,000 to a crypto wallet and leave the rest for trading. The result speaks for itself, from just $30 to more than $2,000. But this isn't luck. This is the system and discipline that made it happen. That's the difference between gambling and trading. One drains your account, the other builds it. Imagine, this could be your successful trading session. Steady incomes and confidence in tomorrow. Want the same? Click the link in the description to join our community where we teach you how to achieve these results. It's time to soar to a new heights in your trading journey. If you liked the video, I'm waiting for your comments with questions and ideas on what you would like to see. This helps me create better content for you. See you in the next video.